right, let's look at another example of a division problem with a two-digit or double-digit divisor, but this time we're going to end up with a remainder. All right, so now we're dividing by 28. So we have to think about, do we have enough to make groups of 28? So if we only have 6 of something, do we have enough to make a group of 28? We don't. So we can put that 0 up there so that we remember, or we can just imagine that it's a 0 right there. I like to put it sometimes just to make it very clear. And then we know we're going to have 65. So we can use that 6 here, 65. So if we're making groups of 28, let's see. I like to make a little key on the side. So we have 28 times 1 is 28. 28 times 2, and this is a great thing to do with a calculator. 28 times 2, 56. 28 times 3, 84. Okay, and already I can tell, well, I have only 65. So I could make 2 groups of 28 without going over 65. I'm going to say, all right, well, 2 groups, and 28 times 2 is 56. And then let's see what we have left over. So we do our subtraction. And we say, oh, I have to borrow from this one. Make it a 5. 15 minus 6. And again, you're always welcome to use a calculator just to make sure that you're not making any mistakes with this type of calculation, as long as you're showing the rest of the work as you go along. So that is 9 left over. So then we go one place value next door and we bring down the 1. We go, okay, if we have 91, how many groups of 28 can we make? Well, 84 is pretty close, but maybe we want to say, well, let's just go ahead and say this was 28 times 1 times 2 times 3. Let's see what 28 times 4 is, just to be sure. And it's 112. So that would be too much. So we know that we can only make 3 groups of 28. And 28 times 3 is 84. Then we can do our subtraction to figure out how much we have left over. So 91 minus 84 is 7. Now we're going to bring down our 1 again, because we had another 1 in the 1's place. We bring that down. So now we have 71. How many groups of 28 could we make if we have 71? Well, we have enough to make 1 group, 2 groups. Oh, 3 groups would be too much. So we know we can only make 2 groups, which is 56. 28 times 2 is 56. I can do the subtraction. 71 minus 56 equals 15. Do we have anything else to bring down? Nope, we don't. So this is just going to be our remainder. So 232, remainder 15. And we can end the problem right there.